maintaining a trouble-free operation at work. With the aim of achieving non-stop factories, we provide total maintenance solutions. Our preventative maintenance helps prevent sudden failure of equipment due to the aging of devices. With the help of our AI technology in advanced data analytics, predictive maintenance helps to detect potential abnormality in real time and alert personnel before it causes an actual breakdown. When an error occurs, our corrective maintenance shortens the cause investigation time. The system recorder performs system-wide recording of equipment operational data and images in the event of an abnormality. Together with the analysis of waveform data on the same timeline, the causes of error can be detected quickly, enabling professionals to rectify the issues immediately. This significantly reduces machine downtime and minimizes impact on production. With Mitsubishi Electric's total maintenance solutions, we help create a factory that never stops, allowing professionals to leave work on time with peace of mind. Everywhere you look around you, Mitsubishi Electric is there. Mitsubishi Electric changes for the better.